Techniques for measuring correlation 2. Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. This method is also known as the product moment correlation coefficient or simple correlation coefficient. It gives an accurate numerical value of the degree of a linear relationship between two variables. It is important to mention that Pearson's method should not only be used when the relationship between the variables is linear. In the case of a nonlinear relation between x and y, Carl Pearson's method of the coefficient of correlation can be confusing. Properties of correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient between two variables x and y are denoted by Rxy. R is a pure number and has no unit. Units of measurement are not a part of R. The value of Rxy always lie between -1 and 1. If R lies outside this range, then there is some error in calculation. A negative value of R denotes a negative or inverse correlation. That is, a change in one variable leads to change in another variable in the opposite direction. A positive value of R signifies a positive or direct correlation, where a change in both the variables takes place in the same direction. The magnitude of R is unaffected by the change of origin and change of scale. If R is equal to 1, then the correlation is positive. If R is equal to -1, then the relationship is inverse. If R is equal to 0, then there is no correlation between the variables. A low value of R indicates a weak linear relation, but there may be a non-linear relation.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.